Alright, so here we are at the lunch place. The three of us, those people, and me and her, we're all telling each other riddles, because Max is a great riddle teller. And so right now what I'm feeling is pretty wet, and not 100% happy. I think this would have been a lot more fun without rain. Do you want to be in this? But, oh, I'm probably going to fall. So I've fallen about 4 or 5 times already. Right now we're all having fun, just talking and chatting, and it's pretty much just drizzling very lightly, but it's been raining pretty hard. And yeah, that's really put a damper on the trip. So, but yesterday was really fun at the Three Sisters, and I think tomorrow should be fun too. There's not as much complaining going on that I've noticed, which is nice. You know, we're all kind of trying to keep up in good spirits, and it's not really a peaceful hike because it's pretty strenuous, and we haven't even started going back up. But I think it'll be a good experience. Probably an experience I never want to do again. At least not in the rain. But I am happy I'm here.